Hello friends. Before entering into Python 4 hours coding capsule, I would like to explain few fundamental concepts of programming. In fact, I have developed this 4 hour capsule for everybody, regardless of their programming background and regardless of their stream of study. That's why if I explain these fundamental concepts, three concepts, you will be comfortable in understanding all concepts in the capsule. The three concepts are, the first one is about computer program. What is a computer program or program definition? Second one is function oriented programming paradigm. Third one is object oriented programming paradigm. The three concepts I explain precisely. Thereafter, I am going to introduce a great technique, that is AQT, analytical quantification technique, which was developed by me. If you understand the real spirit of the technique, regardless of the programming language, it may be C, C++, Java or Python or any language, with the 50% of the effort, whatever actually required, it can perform the program. And at the same time, you will be very comfortable in writing coding. Such type of technique I am going to explain in this section. Now let us start with what is a computer program. If you simply take the definition, a computer program is a set of computer instructions which manipulate a set of data what for to achieve a predefined task and which is executed on a computer. A computer program is set of instructions, computer instructions, which acts upon a set of data in order to achieve a predefined task and which is executed on a computer. With reference to one example, if you understand this definition, you need not by heart all these points. On your own, you can write. Now, let us see that. Now, let us write a program to write a student's mark report like this. A simple program. It is a very known domain. Now, if you analyze that, what are the data items and what are the instructions you have to identify. Here, you see, if you find there are four instructions. What are the four instructions? Reading, marks. First one is you have to enter data. Now, however, I haven't given the name, class number, roll number, etc. In order to give a simple example, I have taken only marks, nothing else. Just you have to understand this definition practically. That's why I simplified it. So, first you have to enter marks, then computer will read it. That is reading marks. Here 42, 53, 64, 75, 86 are the marks. Thereafter, as a part of that, we have to evaluate total marks. Here total marks are there. We have to calculate. This is the input data. This is the output data. And next, after evaluating total marks, we have to calculate average marks. Average marks also we have to calculate a part of this thing. After calculating average marks, we have to display the report on the monitor screen. Display the report. Okay. Now there are four instructions. Grossly, there are four instructions in the program. Now, what are the data items? Here five data items are there. 42, 53, 64, 75 and 86. So, now with reference to this, you understand the definition of a program. A computer program is a set of instructions. Here four instructions are there and which acts upon set of the data. If you see, all these instructions are acting upon the data. This is for reading data. This is for this is for calculating total marks. This is also acting upon data. Evaluating average marks. This is also acting upon data. Finally, the display report. This also deals with input data, output data, other labels, etc., and all that are there. So, this is the way a set of instructions which act upon set of data in order to achieve a predefined task. What is your predefined task? Prepare and print a mark report. And the last point is where it is executed. It is executed on a computer. One thing I am telling you, not only understanding computer program definition, you must understand a technique, how to own a concept. In this way, any concept you study, don't by heart. Try to understand that. Take an example like this, and thereafter, with reference to the example, you explain, you write the definition, or whatever you know, whatever you want to explain in your own language, you explain. By that, in examination, either in examinations or in interviews or elsewhere for teaching also, it is highly impressive. No doubt about that. If you by heart you write only few points, if you have to write only program definition, only you write 2 lines. That's it. Now, if you write like this, just with 5 minutes of study, you are able to understand. If you want to write 1 page of relevant material, you are able to write. This is one of the great technique which is useful for software career aspirants for their examinations as well as for the interviews.